Well, years ago, I wrote a brief creation myth about the origin of these two powerful essences. Here it is. In the beginning, the divine needed entertainment and sent out a ray of light to stir up something interesting. This light shot out through the universe, dancing and playing in the darkness, not expecting to find anything, but having a grand time turning and spiraling through the cosmos. Soon, pulsating light realized that particles of living matter were collecting wherever it went. When it would spiral off to another spot, the dancing light would leave the congealed mass there, awaiting its return, but only to find more matter collecting wherever it happened to be and gathered on its newly acquired position. So finally, striking up a conversation with the growing forms emerging around it, pulsating light asked the living matter how it came to be, floating out here in the darkness. Oh, like you, we are emanations of the divine, said the congealed particles. But we must have movement, and we demand the freedom to move, but we also love form, and we did not know what shape to take until you came with your spiraling light to show us how lovely form is. And now we're in love with our own form and want very much to have both you, dearest light, and our delightful contours. And with that, spiraling light became so attracted to floating forms that it turns and it plunges headforth into them. Wow, what an explosion. What an erotic encounter. And we call this the beginning of life, an encounter of ensouled matter. So that was my creation myth. Spirit, spiraling light attracts mass and takes on form. Spirit becomes ensouled, but by its nature not wanting to be encumbered, because spirit is always trying to get away, because soul things are heavy and cumbersome, spirit wants freedom.